Welcome back to our course on Introduction to C Programming. In this module, we'll cover functions in C, which are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. Functions in C language programming are defined using the function keyword, followed by the return type, the function name, and the parameter list. The return type specifies the type of value that the function returns, or void if it doesn't return anything. To use a function, you need to call it by its name, followed by the argument list enclosed in parentheses. The argument list contains the values that are passed to the function as input. Functions can also return a value using the return keyword. The value that is returned is of the type specified in the return type of the function. C language programming also supports default arguments in functions, which are values that are used if the caller doesn't provide a value for a certain parameter. C language programming also supports variable length arguments in functions, which allow you to pass a variable number of arguments to a function. Finally, C language programming supports recursive functions, which are functions that call themselves either directly or indirectly. That's it for this module. In the next module, we'll cover arrays and strings in C, which are important data structures used in many C programs. See you there.